I'm good. Thanks. So, yes, good to see
Yeah,
you again.
yeah, thank you. Same here.
Yes. So, what did you do today, Praveen, since morning?
Nothing much. It's raining outside from morning actually. So,
Hmm.
yeah, I am at home only.
Great. And I want to ask, you said, right, you didn't do a lot. You were just chilling around at home and all that.
Yeah.
What are some of the ways in which you entertain yourself? If you feel
On
bored,
my
what do you do?
mostly I play with my daughter
Okay.
and watch TV sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
And the most of the time I usually spend on YouTube by watching videos and some good videos for meditation and all.
Okay. Okay. So, meditation. That's interesting.
Yeah,
So, have you ever
yeah.
tried meditation or do you just watch videos? How is it?
No, I'm doing meditation from long time actually. So
Okay.
it's pretty good actually to calm your mind and all.
Yeah. And how many minutes can you meditate? For how many minutes?
I do approx 26 to 30 minutes.
Wow. Okay. My mind is
Yeah.
blown right now because I can hardly focus for 10 minutes when I'm meditating because after 10 minutes, my mind, it kind of goes
So
everywhere.
yeah, if you have started, so the time will increase slowly and steadily.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can focus on 10 minutes, it's good. You can increase day by day.
Okay. And do you have a timer? Like, is there a timer that beeps after 30 minutes, or do you get
No.
out of
Actually,
your meditation on your own?
what did I do?
Mhm.
Uh, I play a music for Sudhi music.
Okay.
So it's like Isa Kriya. Its name is Isa Kriya. The
Okay.
it's music is also named with the Isa Kriya. So
Okay.
I play for 30 minutes music,
Mm-hmm.
and when the music stops, I know that I have completed 30 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So when the music ends, you know it's time to
Yeah,
get up again.
e-
And
exactly.
I have heard something called as guided meditation, where they give you some instructions when you're meditating. What is
Right,
that?
right, right. So in these videos, they
Mm-hmm.
instruct please focus on your middle of your eyebrows and
Okay.
keep your hand upwards and your chin should be little upward
Okay.
and chant this word. Chant this word while you inhaling and
Mhm.
focus on that word until you exhale. So
Okay.
this type of instruction they gave, and you
Mhm.
follow them. You should follow them.
Lovely. So, which one do you prefer? Have you tried guided meditation as well?
No. I do only Isakriya.
Isha Kriya. Okay.
Yeah.
And where did you hear about this? How did you get started on this meditation
Uh,
journey?
I got to know from Sadhguru actually. I have been watching some videos,
Mhm.
so I came to know that it's meditation. If you are feeling bored or if you are feeling down,
Mm-hmm.
so you should try this type of meditation.
Okay.
You can meditate on everything, like you can meditate on God, you can meditate
Yeah.
on your
Hmm.
breath, you can
Breath.
meditate on breath. Yeah, you can meditate on your breath. You
Mhm.
can meditate on any picture like God picture or anything.
Okay.
So some people meditate on the sound of river.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So the like the sound of a river or a waterfall, whatever sound they
Waterfall
find to
river,
be
yeah,
soothing.
exactly.
Huh?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Okay. That's interesting. And in your entire family, does everybody practice meditation or is it just you? Or do you have anyone with you?
My mom don't meditate, but it do pray and all.
Mm-hmm.
So she do pray and worship most very long time for long time actually.
Okay.
Do she do yoga actually?
She
Not
does.
yoga. What
She does.
she does? Yeah, she does yoga.
Yeah.
Not yoga. Yoga. So
Yoga.
it's
Meaning?
yeah. Uh, You must have heard about Om Shanti and this um, uh,
Hmm.
sister Shivani. You heard about them?
Yes, Sister Shivani, I've heard about her. I've watched a couple
Right,
of her videos as well. Yeah.
right. So she suggests to yoga. So it's a type of meditation only, but they
Okay.
focus on uh, what can I say, the the God who don't have any.
Mhm.
We can't imagine that
Mhm.
with the body and all. So
Okay.
in her word, it's like a
Mhm.
soul.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
right. So
So
she does yoga in that language actually.
that's great. So it's good to see that, you guys are so much into this because there are, proven benefits. There are proven benefits of doing, meditation. Hello?
Yeah,
Praveen, your video is
yeah,
stuck. Did you get a call
wait.
maybe?
Yeah. I got a call actually.
Okay. No problem. Yes. So it's very good because doing yoga, doing meditation, all these things have proven
Right.
benefits, right? So earlier as Indians, we
Exactly.
were so what do you say, doubtful that it will work or not. But ever since people in the West have also started doing this, now we are also excited. Okay, let us also do all this. Yeah.
Do you follow these type of meditation at all?
Meditation, I'm not that good with meditation. Okay. But yoga I used to do long back when I was in school and college. That is when I used to do a lot of yoga. But meditation, I'm not that good
About
with it.
workout?
I'm sorry,
Okay.
can you
About
repeat
what
that?
workout?
Workouts, yeah.
What about workout?
Yeah. Workouts I used to do,
You
not in this pandemic. At home, I try to do very rarely. But before this pandemic hit us, I used to go to the gym and all very frequently. Okay, so the fitness routine was on. But now I
right.
blame it on the pandemic that I'm not able to I just blame it on the pandemic. That's it.
Yeah, you also fit. So I think you can ditch sometime. You already fit.
Even before this second wave also had started going, okay, but then again second wave also hit, then all the gyms were closed.
Yeah,
So yeah, I couldn't go. Yeah. Now I don't think
but
it's even safe to go.
you can do yoga at home only.
Yeah, I can, okay, I can, but I'm so lazy that I don't. That's the only problem. There is every
Right,
provision to do it now, but what to do? This laziness. Yeah.
right. So
Yeah.
it's like a
And
Gaur Gopal. Gaur
mhm,
Gopal
yes.
does always say that your mind always play a googly.
Mhm,
So
mhm,
you always got
Whenever he Baola Googly, so your
mhm,
mind always say to you, no, don't go to outside, don't go for
mhm,
yoga and all.
mhm,
Just keep on bed, just stay on bed and get
mhm,
a sleep. So
mhm.
yeah,
Okay. So yes, even I have heard some of his discourses also, okay, his lectures and discourses. So I listen to
right.
it. I used to listen to it a lot, but now not so much. Now I have to start listening to all this again so that even I become motivated to, become a little more slightly more productive than I am right now. So hopefully that will help me. Yes, and yeah, coming back to the topic, you said that for entertainment purpose, you watch movies or you watch YouTube. So, do you like watching comedy?
most of the time I watch comedy only. I don't
Yeah.
like
Mhm.
horror and what I said, thrilled and all
Thrillers.
thrillers.
Yeah. So, comedy you like? Yeah.
Yeah, I love comedy.
Okay. And who is your favorite comedian?
Paresh Rawal.
Paresh Rawal. Okay. Why so?
I think he do the best comedian role in most of the
Mhm.
movies, and
Mhm.
also Rajpal Yadav.
Oh yes, Rajpal Yadav. He's so funny, right? Such a funny guy. I mean,
Right,
in movies.
exactly.
Yeah. So, you said Paresh Rawal and Rajpal Yadav are your favorites, right? Can you name some of their movies that you found to be hilarious?
So, in movie was that I think it was Halchal.
Yes, that was such an epic movie.
Yeah,
I was, it released many years ago now, but I still
yeah, it's
remember
so,
that
yeah,
film.
yeah,
Yeah, yes,
it's very old movie.
yeah. But these are like classic comedy movies, like classic Indian
Exactly.
comedies. Yeah, these
Yeah,
days they don't make such films. I feel in the comedy genre, especially, they don't make such hilarious films. What do you feel?
exactly. But in these days, the comedy is not
Mhm.
exactly comedy. They are
Mhm.
like vulgar comedy, so we can't
Yeah.
watch with our family. But
Yes.
previous
Yes.
movies was exactly comedy that we can watch with our
Mm-hmm.
family. We can do a binge.
Absolutely.
What can say binge watch?
That we can watch with our family.
There is a word like a binge watch when we
Binge,
watch
sorry, binge watch. Binge watch.
binge watch, right?
Yeah, we can binge watch with our family. Yeah, that's correct.
Right.
It's binge, okay? BING, binge.
Binge. Okay. Binge.
Not V, Baba. B.
B. Binge.
Huh. Binge.
Okay. Binge.
Yes, perfect.
Binge.
Yeah, you got it right. Binge. Correct. So binge watching the movies. And have you watched Hera Pheri?
Yeah, I have. I had watched that one.
Yeah, it
It's
was so
it's
hilarious.
so hilarious.
Yeah, absolutely. It's so hilarious. I can watch it even now on Saturdays and Sundays if I'm feeling bored. I just play that
Yeah.
movie and my weekend is sorted.
Yeah.
And stand-up comedy. Do you watch stand-up comedy?
Yes, I do.
Great. Do you watch what Indian content or the foreigners?
Most of the time I watch Indian content. So I was the guy, what's his name? Momdan guy.
Which guy?
Uh, he's a Momdan guy.
Mhm.
Zakir Khan.
Zakir Khan. Ah, yes. Who
Yeah,
doesn't know Zakir? Yeah.
yeah. So I usually watch that.
Okay. And I have watched one of his shows. Okay. He was in Bangalore once for his stand-up
Yeah,
comedy show. Yeah. And I
right.
had been to his show once, like 2 years
Mm.
ago. And it was such a great experience. Like watching it on YouTube is different, but experiencing it
And
live is
live,
completely
yes.
different. Have you ever been to a stand-up comedy show yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. So, if there is a show, okay, if Zakir Khan comes to your show, would you go? Would you buy the tickets and go watch it?
Of course, I will do.
Yeah, na? Don't miss, okay? If that opportunity comes, I would strongly suggest you go and watch. Yeah, you'll
Exactly.
not regret it. Yeah.
So, how many times have you ever you have ever watched the live?
Only once.
Stand-up
Only
comedy.
once. Live, na? Live, I have watched
Yeah.
it only once. That was of Zakir's. Apart from that,
Okay.
never.
Okay.
Yeah, that was
Right.
my
Right.
first and unfortunately last comedy show that I could watch.
Okay.
But once the situation is better and these shows start coming up, I'll definitely, I look forward to visiting that even more, visiting those shows
Okay.
even more.
So which genre of movie and all you would?
Watch and
Something that I like to watch. I love comedies. Okay, I love comedies. I like Welcome, Hera Pheri, Halchal, Hangama. These are like classics, my all-time favorite comedy films. So those are my most favorite. Yeah, and even I stay away from horror. Okay, are you able to hear me? Any issues?
no, no, I can hear you properly.
You can hear, na? Yeah. So that's what
We are
horror. I
getting
type.
all back to back, so that's why.
Okay. So yeah, comedy is my favorite, and horror is something that I avoid watching completely. I'm not interested. Yes. So yeah. Can I give you my feedback
Yeah,
now?
please.
Yeah. So for the feedback today, your grammar was almost perfect. Okay, your sentence structures were really good today, and the tenses. I mean the tenses that you were using. I did. I have been. Okay. So all these were good. Your tenses were perfect. You didn't mess up on the tense. Only thing is that I want you to work on the difference between do and doesn't. Okay, that you get confused. So for do it is I can tell you the examples. I, we, they. Okay, I
Yeah,
do,
I
they
know,
do,
I
we
know,
do.
but
Uh-huh.
sometimes in flow, actually, I uh,
Yeah.
don't use the
Okay.
exact.
Yes, yes,
If I
yes.
talk about grammar part, I know 100% where
Mhm.
I need to use does and where I need to use do.
Use doesn't.
So
Yeah. If
so
you're using he, she, it is does or doesn't. He does or he doesn't. If you use I,
right.
then I do, I don't, I didn't, like
So
that.
with a singular person, we need to use does, and with plural, we need to use do.
Yeah, we do. See, I don't study
Yeah.
grammar like that. Okay, that's
Okay. We do,
completely.
they do,
Yes, yes.
I do,
Mm,
he does, she does, it does.
perfect. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So it's correct. So if I learn it like singular plural, now I become so confused. So I just
Yeah.
say it like you do, like I do, we do, they do. That's easier for me because we're practically using it, right?
Right.
So good to know the rules. It's great. When you're talking, try to be mindful of it, implement it. Okay. Okay, great. That's it, Praveen. Those were my only corrections for you. Apart from that, you were really good today. During the entire conversation, the pace with which you were talking, you didn't fumble a lot, okay, and your tenses were also great. So good job, great improvement. Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
yes, so I saw that you were getting a lot of calls, right? So busy day today.
Yeah.
What are you planning to do next?
Actually, it's my office timing, so getting a call from office and all. But
Okay.
I couldn't
Mhm.
get free timing to
Mhm.
connect, so I have only this spare time, so I chosen that time.
You have chosen that time. Chosen.
Yeah, I chosen that.
Yes, yes. So yeah. And finally, we have time. Yeah, I want you to work on the pronunciation, okay, of shan. Can you say shadi wala sh? It is okay, shadi ka sh. Meditation, when you say, right? Sometimes you say
Okay.
sun, meditation. So don't do that. Is
Okay.
it meditation?
Meditation.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
Meditation.
Say yes, meditation. So it's always a shadi wala sh. Remember that much, okay?
Okay.
Session, pronunciation, meditation, all that. That's it. Okay. Yes, I think I'll
Okay.
leave you to your meetings now. You can pick your office
Okay.
calls and we can wrap up our session. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Take care,
Bye.
Praveen. Bye.